Ladies and gentlemen, the American jury and Bulldog Nation, for those of you that do not know what they are, a bar association is an association of lawyers, usually organized by states. And what it is it is a, for lack of a better word, a governing body of attorneys. Now in Kentucky, they have what's called a Board of Governors, which runs the Bar Association. And it's a mandatory association, which means every lawyer in Kentucky must belong to the Bar Association. And the Board of Governors, the only authority above the Board of Governors is the Kentucky Supreme Court. In Ohio, there is no Bar Association under the authority of the Ohio Supreme Court, but the Ohio Supreme Court has something called the Ohio Disciplinary Council, which they control. Bar associations, especially mandatory bar associations, have a claimed goal of self-policing the organization of lawyers. Their real goal, which they don't state, is the control of lawyers. You see, if a lawyer does something wrong, they can be sued, a lawyer can be charged with a crime if he steals money. There's already law in place to handle anything and everything. But what bar associations do is they want to control lawyers. 90% plus of the public does not like the legal profession and has a low opinion of attorneys. What does that say? And bar associations help keep it that way. They control what lawyers say, what lawyers do, the disciplinary process. If you swim upstream and you go against them, they will give you retribution. It really is an awful organization. And then they have all these subcategories. You know, they have committees of this, they've got this, Judicial Conduct Commission, all these other things, all used to control. It's really sad. And I'm somebody who speaks out against it. There should not be bar associations and there should not be mandatory bar associations. I like to point out one rule that says it all. They have a rule that lawyers are very restricted on what they can say about other lawyers and judges, restricting the free speech. Why would they do that? Why would they do that? Because they want to control what is said internally about each other. So criticism gets pushed back. That's why I'm glad I'm free of it all. I can say whatever the hell I want about them. And I stand with 90% of the public. This is the Bulldog. Every dog has their day. Have a great day.